Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah with Sarah Plans Life. I'm so happy to have you here, and today we are planning the last week of August. It is August 24th through the 30th. Long time no talk. I didn't film my plan with me last week, mainly because we got home from the embryo transfer really late on Saturday evening, and I did not feel like filming, and we were really busy on Sunday getting the kids and just kind of having fun with them because we missed them for a few days. So I just decided, you know what, I'm just not going to film. So I just did this whole spread on my own in here, and I like it. It's very blue. It's very blue. I'll be honest, like, I'm not a huge fan of just the straight up blue. It's too much for me, so it's okay. This week, I am going to use Mini Kit 216 from Planner Kate. I don't really have any other summer kits. I've got some fall kits that I'm going to use in September, and I have pretty much all of October planned out and the first week of November. So yeah, so I'm just kind of like, oh, we'll just use whatever kit we have, and this is what I have. And I have a lot of things I'm going to be putting in there this week, so I'm glad I have this extra hourly kit. I typically don't use these. When I use a Planner Kate kit, I've been just typically using this sheet and the thin washi, and it works perfect for me. But because I'm adding a few extra things this week, I might end up using more of these, so we'll just kind of see. But yeah, so I'm going to do my outline, and then I'll be right back, and then I will talk to you about my previous week and what I've got coming up this week. So I will be right back. Okay, so here's my outline, mostly done. The rest of this stuff I can actually do while I'm talking. It's that washi, man. Like, I just cannot lay washi and talk at the same time. And it's fine. I can accept that. I am human. I also can't do the weather while talking at the same time. So the transfer was so much fun. It was so great to get to go to San Diego, to get to hang out with the dads. So we went there on a Thursday. We got there about Thursday afternoonish. And we checked into our hotel, hung out at our hotel for a minute. I freshened up my makeup because I'm vain and care about that stuff. I wanted to impress them. And then we went and met up with them at their Airbnb, and we hung out with them for hours, and it was so much fun, and we just really enjoyed ourselves. We had a really great time with them. Like, it's like we had been friends with them for a long time, that we hadn't just met and started talking back in March, you know? Like, it was a lot of fun. And then the transfer day happened, and I'll talk about all of this in a transfer video because, you know, we don't need to go over all of it here while I'm trying to plan my week. But it was great. It went well. And now we are just waiting for the beta test, which is the blood test that's going to measure the level of HCG in my blood. If there is really any HCG, they would consider that pregnant, although the clinic would prefer it to be over 100 by this time. But I've seen girls who've had it at like in the 30s, and the pregnancy progressed just fine. So hopefully I'm pregnant, and we will find out on Monday. So let's put the beta test in here. I've got a big beta check sticker here, but none of these stickers are really big, I guess, except for the big ones, but I don't want to take up too much space with this. So, okay, we'll put that up there. Wow, but let's make it not so crooked. My gosh, I take a week off, y'all, and I just start slacking. Here we go. Okay. The beta check is at 8, but I am putting this up here because my son started virtual school this week. That's been a thing. Like, it's been hard. So every first grade class is different, but his class, they are meeting up six times a day for a live lesson. And then in between those live lessons are when they are supposed to be doing busy work on the computer. And that is a lot more than I was anticipating for his schooling. A lot more. Yes, I did not realize that he would be doing so much online. And if he was older, it's not a big deal, but because of his age, he doesn't quite understand how to use the computer yet. So I still have to stand like right by him to make sure he's, one, paying attention and not pushing buttons on the computer. But then I also have to, if they get disconnected or anything like that, I have to make sure that he's signed on and everything's good to go. And so it's a lot. So it's just a lot more than I was anticipating, and it's going to be a bit more of an adjustment, but we're just going to try and make it through these first 9 weeks. And then after that, hopefully things will be better and we can just put him straight into school. And if not, then we will just keep him home and go from there. We will cross that bridge when we get to it. So right here, what I'm marking are all of his morning meetings. Just kind of when his day starts, because I just want to have that written down. And then I am having my daughter, I'm going to take her over to my friend Stephanie's house for her to start doing kind of a homeschool preschool thing once a week. That'll be really good for her, but we'll also get her out of my hair. So she's going to go over to my friend's house on Tuesdays. I'm not really paying her to homeschool Juliette. I'm buying her supplies is what I'm doing. Let's see, does this work here? Positive vibes, you can almost see that. Okay. Anyway, back to Monday. So another thing that's happening this week is Scotty is getting his tonsils out. That procedure is going to happen on Friday. Yes, I am nervous, but what else can you do? But on Monday, he needs to have a COVID test to make sure he doesn't have coronavirus, that's what they're doing. So they're doing that on Monday. So he needs to get his COVID test, and then I'm actually going to have my husband, while they're doing that, pick up the receipt that we paid for the doctor who's doing the procedure. I did that over the phone, and they couldn't email me a receipt, which was dumb. Let's be honest. It was kind of dumb. So I'm going to have my husband go pick that up while they're by that doctor's office. Don't forget. Okay. And then both kids have swimming this day, so that'll be right after school. So he's going to get his COVID test during his lunch break, and then after school they are going to swimming. And they're not in the same class on this day, they're actually doing it back to back. So that'll be interesting. I used a lot of dark colors up here, so I'm going to try and do the lighter colors on the other days. And then both kids have Taekwondo. Juliette has been loving Taekwondo. It's so fun. Like watching her, she just loves it. And she's picking it up really quick, which is very impressive to me because she's only 3.5. So I'm very excited about that. So let's put our Franny Lamb stickers in here. Still love these stickers. Still use them every week. Okay, so now that those are down, I'm going to put down my filming and uploading stickers. So we're going to upload this video on Monday. So that'll be uploaded, while I'm getting my beta check done. That there, and then I'm thinking I'm going to film Tuesday evening and then upload on Thursday the transfer video. So I'll talk all about the transfer. We brought our camera with us, but we did not do much filming because we were just very in the moment and having a lot of fun, and I just didn't want to. Let's see, so then we're gonna edit this day. What am I gonna edit? Let's edit in the evening. Upload there, and then we'll film on Saturday. So I'm filming, today is actually Friday because tomorrow we are having a Skype call with the guys to just kind of catch up. We haven't really talked to them much we've talked to them this week, but we haven't talked to them a ton this week. So it'll be nice to kind of chat with them and see how they're doing. So I'm going to use these stickers. I just got them from Planner Kate, and I am so in love. I love when I don't have to write something out. It's awesome. I think I prefer the lowercase ones more, actually, now that I'm looking at these, but that's okay. I still like how it looks. Let's see, I am actually using a lot of these. I'm really proud of myself. I hate when I have like excess stuff from kits. I feel like it's just such a waste. But I am actually using the heck fire out of this kit, so I'm glad I used it for this week. Although, if I plan on putting down all of Scotty's morning meetings, that's going to start taking up a lot of space. Okay. So take the trash out here. We got garbage day here. Okay, so then we are having Scotty's tonsils out. So we don't have a time for this yet. I'm assuming it's going to be in the morning. That's typically when they usually like to do these kinds of procedures, is in the morning. They're not going to let us, they're not going to let us know until Wednesday. So we're just going to have to wait and see. But my husband took the whole day off, so I'm not too nervous about it. Okay, and then Juliette has a private swim lesson at 4:30 here. And that is her last swimming lesson. So Scotty's last swimming lesson is on Monday, and then Juliette's last swimming lesson is on Friday. And then we are just kind of all done doing swimming lessons. It's just gotten, I'm just ready to be done with how busy they are with Taekwondo. It'll just be nice to have essentially Wednesday nights off, Monday and Wednesday nights off from doing anything, and I can, cook like a normal meal. It'll be great. Okay, so this looks like everything. Oh, need a meal plan. Need a meal plan here. Oops, that is so crooked. Okay, so we're gonna meal plan here, and then I actually forgot that after my beta check, I need to go pick up groceries. So I'm gonna do my grocery pickup here, and we'll just call it grocery time. I know she has scripts that say grocery pickup or pickup order, but I don't need them. I like these grocery time stickers, and they work just fine for me. Okay, yeah, so that's all of these scripts. So now I'm going to go through and just kind of add some fun decorative stickers, like this one here, kind of a homeschool type sticker that I got from Once More with Love. This is one of the oops ones. When you place your order, you put in the comments to the seller kind of thing on her website, Super Oops, and she will add a bunch of oops stickers for you. And I just love that because it's a great way to get stickers that you weren't planning on buying and trying something new. So I'm going to add that one there. And then I love these ones. I've been so tired this week. Like it's 9:20 right now. I'm usually in bed at this time. Like, isn't that so pathetic? So I found one of these cute little planner stickers that I had just in my reusable sticker book. So I'm going to put this right here with planner time. Perfect. It is going to be le hot. So hot this week. Ugh, gosh. The humidity here just kills me. And then since summer's kind of winding down and we're not really even swimming anymore, I'm going to put these swimming guys with these with their swimming lesson stickers because these just aren't going to get used anymore. We don't plan on going swimming. I'm not supposed to go swimming until Monday. But after that, like, I don't know. Just in case, I'd rather just not risk it. So we are filming here. So I'm going to put this cute little film sticker there. I'll put edit sticker over here. And I think there is an upload sticker. So I'll put this upload sticker over here. Cute, cute, cute. So this is it. This is the before the pen. I actually really like how this kit turned out. It's not quite as wintry as I thought it was going to look. The pink, this pinkish reddish color really kind of gives it a lot of nice vibrancy. Okay, so I'm going to go through and write everything in. I don't have any to-dos this week, so those will just get written in as the week goes on. So I'm going to write this in, and then I will be right back. Okay, here we go. It is all done. It feels weird to have like such a busy first part of the week and then have like nothing going on the weekend, but obviously with Scotty getting his tonsils out, we're not going to be doing too much over the weekend. Let me tell you, I also got the phone call today of the estimate of how much it's going to cost. It's so expensive. Even with insurance, we have our insurance, but it pretty much goes all the way up to our deductible, and then it covers just a little bit. So yeah, so the doctor and the facility fee comes to about $3,800. Now the anesthesiologist is not part of that, so he will send the bill to us separately, and that one we do not pay for in advance. So I have no idea how much that will be. I'm assuming it'll be close to the doctor's fee for the doctor who's doing the tonsillectomy, and the doctor's fee was $350. So I'm thinking maybe it'll be similar to that. And yeah, I just cannot believe how much healthcare stuff costs here. Luckily, we are really great at saving money, and we have the money saved, and it's very easily, okay, we pay for it and it's done. And it's going to be really good for him. It's going to make his quality of life a bit better. So, rant over. Here's my week. And I'm very pleased with how this turned out. I like this week a lot more than this last week. It's fine. So, let me know what you think. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what's going on with you this week. If you are having a busy week too, or if your week is very nice and slow and taking it easy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and just click that button so that you can see the videos that I put out. I put out videos every Monday, except for this last Monday because I was a slacker. But I put out Plan With Me videos every Monday. And then I like to do a bonus video every Thursday or every other Thursday of just something going on in my life. Recently, it's been a lot of surrogacy videos because that's very prevalent in my life. But I do like to do haul videos and organization videos of all my stickers. So go ahead and subscribe so you can see all of those, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.